about to happen.
It's crazy.
We started building relationships a year ago with lots of communities along the path that swept from the Texas border and across to Maine to do something transformative, to get individuals excited about science.
Me and Dr. Moy McTeer created 7 goddesses that tell us about a different type of eclipse that happens in nature. So this is a great way for us to dive into deeper sciences and present it to a wider audience.
I think that the exhibition is going to drive a lot of interest for the eclipse. If you have some sense of what is actually happening out there in space, I think it creates a lot more appreciation of just how monumental this event is.
I'm here today to facilitate a field trip based around the solar eclipse. We really make that personal by boiling it down to its basic elements, light and shadow. Our goal is to bring this experience to 25 schools throughout the state by the point of the eclipse.
By partnering with the town of Spencer and other local organizations, this community-wide event creates a gateway for Spencer Pride to engage with people of all ages, to talk about various elements of science through our eclipse programming. And it also provides us this host of potentially new people to be engaged in our work.
In Austin, the Simons Foundation invited thousands of people to experience the eclipse. I think it has the potential to connect people to science or to the world around them and to their community for many, many years to come.
The fact that we're all here right now is like kind of amazing. I'm getting pumped.
A lot of magical things are gonna happen. It's gonna be just a great spiritual as well as celestial event.
I have no words to express how beautiful it was.
It was unreal, really unreal.
Gives you a little rush. So
I hope I see the next one.
Everybody should experience something like this. It was very, very magical.
Just a very, very profound feeling.
It makes me know that there's still wonder in the world.
Science is not something done by people different from you on a mountaintop or sitting in a lab. We're all trying to understand our universe.